everybody have a very nice glass of champagne in front of them?
My business partner, you do not have one.
Cheers. All right. We don't have anything rehearsed for this toast. And I'm a nerd. Sometimes I get emotional and teary. But this event is for all of you. All of you have had some role in participating in where we are right now. Some of you were in focus groups, some of you were one-on-ones, some of you were just cheerleaders from the beginning. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much for being here. This is all about you. You speak.
So, you speak?
You speak.
Right. So just to kind of echo and piggyback on what Sid said, we are just so grateful to every individual that's in this room tonight and the love and support that you all have given us thus far. No, I'm going to be the one that gets emotional, not you. Go figure.
Have at it, my friend.
That's right.
Take it.
But it means so much to both of us to have you all here tonight. Thank you so much for your support. Stay tuned because we're going places. Cheers.
Ching, ching.
Cheers, everyone. Thank you. A pleasure to welcome you all here tonight and also to recognize our event sponsor for the evening. Our event sponsor, we are so grateful to First National Bank and Monica Stanton, who is here tonight. Give her a round of applause, and Monica's going to come up and say a few words.
Hello all, I'm Monica with First National Bank. I could talk about lending and rates and all that fun, exciting stuff, but the reason I'm here is because of these two ladies. I met you guys several years ago, and it was in my first meeting with these two girls separately that you just feel it, right? You know there's something cool about them and special about them and inviting about them. So happy to be a sponsor, happy to be on this training with their journey. I love it. I also love women with short hair. I feel like we get things done. Spend the time to get our hair done in the morning. I want to say thank you. If anybody has any questions for me, but happy to sponsor this. And thank you.
Thank you, Monica.
Thanks, Monica. I'm not one to stand still. I have these notes here. Don't be nervous. I'm not reading them all.
Hold on.
I just need to make sure I can move.
Hold on.
I'm free to
Okay.
roam about the cabin.
Hold on. You can roam.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, those of you who made a donation, a contribution to the Kraft and Ingram Food Bank. It's so near and dear to my heart because it hurts me to know that so many people in my backyard rely on that food bank solely for their food. And if you have not, where's my friend Annette? My friend Annette will gladly show you where the jar is.
Oh, and pardon me, partner, but we had to upscale the container because of all the generosity that we've had here thus far tonight. We're in a bigger vase because everyone has been so generous, and there's still time to donate if you haven't already done so.
Nice. Liking that. Good people doing good stuff. Most of you know the story. Most of you know what brought me to this point. Almost to the day, those of you know the story, almost to the day, 6 months ago, I was in a very unhappy place. It was what had happened to me was bad. It was a surprise. It was, I still don't understand, but I had no idea that it was a well-disguised blessing. And it's putting me where I am right now. Preach! Who's saying it? Woo! Preaching the back. That's right. But anyway, what I did was I took from that experience what I loved, right? What I loved. I love meeting people, connecting people, and having events, right? And I took that and I added some stuff that was missing. Values, trust, respect, and honesty. And added a community component. Whoa, go figure, community component. And I knew I didn't want to do it by myself. I knew I couldn't do it by myself. And there wasn't even a question. It was this one. This one here.
That one there.
This one over here, who was, Cindy and I have known each other for so long, and we have gone in and out of each other's lives, and we've done a number of entrepreneurial efforts together, and she was just a natural. And if you've seen us interact, you know we're so complimentary, right? One of us will start saying something, the other one finishes. I was doing it. It's such a natural partnership. So I knew that she had to be a part of it, and that's how we're here today. People connectors, good people connecting good people. So look around. You're all good people. You know what I like to say? If you're good people and you're here, you belong here. If you're good people and you're not here, you should be here. And if you're not good people, just stay away. Just don't even. Good people connecting good people through events, services, and tools. Oh, but you only know this much. All right, there was a really big part of my presentation that I had to cut out because it would have taken me a really long time. And that was where I was going to go through all of the people in this room who have been so incredibly helpful, instrumental, all that fun stuff. You guys know who you are. You know who you are who walked me through that really yucky time. You know who you are who propped me up. And yeah, you're definitely one of them.
Who, me?
Who, me? But you know who you are. You know who's been, you just know. But if there are some people in this room you don't yet know, there's my mommy. She's the one who's known me the longest. And she's my best friend and my greatest supporter. And my sisters, Stacy and Shauna, if you've not met them. Okay. We want to thank our sponsors. Sponsors who gave us money. Thank you. Thank you for helping us in our fledgling operation to get started. Our sponsors, I think this is when you start.
I think this is when I start. Yeah, I'll go with it.
Start.
Yeah, it's my turn now. So, speaking of sponsors, and look at these amazing food displays that are here tonight. That is all because of Joanna Zahn back there, and as well as her sons, Alec and Mark, who are here tonight. The food, the ambiance that you see in this room, that is all JoJo. It's all her, and thank you so very much, JoJo, for saying yes to whenever we asked you to do this event for us and with us. Thank you so much. In addition, there's some other folks to thank tonight. Doug Black, who is our web designer. Unfortunately, Doug wasn't able to be here tonight. He's standing right in front of me and I can't get his name out. The dude with the cameras. Josh Larson, the man who's been photographing the entire event tonight, doing video. Josh, thank you so very much. You are so fun to work with. You're a rock star. You're awesome. So thank you on behalf of Sid and I. Amy Green. Has Amy Green come into the room?
No.
Darn it. Amy Green. Unfortunately, she's not in the room right at the moment. She generously donated the wine that you all are enjoying tonight. So big round of applause for Amy. There's also beer here on the premises. Beer is here. Barb Urbano. Woo! Thank you, Barb, for your generous donation of the brewskis. Thank you. In addition, Jill Bortz with Bortz Bookkeeping. Unfortunately, she's not in the room tonight. And then somebody who is very near and dear to me, the man in the green jacket, Derek Danko with the printing press. Derek is one of my clients. He's a good friend, and he's like the brother I never had. So thank you for being here tonight, Derek. Greatly appreciate it. And now I turn it over to my partner.
Thank you.
My successful business partner.
Where's my friend Sandy? Coco.
Where's Coco?
Coco. Everybody say hi to Coco. Stephanie Rose, who's not here tonight. Soul back in the back row. Soul. My mom. Thanks, Mommy. Where's Jerry? Jerry Crowshore?
Jerry, thank you.
Donnie, where's Donnie Wolbert? Wolbert! Brent Shones, our insurance guy. And Lil Rose. Thank you all. Thank you all for supporting us. Also, please check our website if you haven't. All of our sponsors are scrolling across the bottom of the website. It's a really cool design that this one over here did. And by the way, she needs a t-shirt that says this one over here.
That one there.
This one and that one. And thank you all of you who did the beautiful testimonials. They're on the website as well. If you haven't, please check them out because they keep coming in and I love it. And I have another testimonial, but please check them out on the website. All right, back to the program. We understand that those of you who are looking to connect with people, that you have lots of options for that, right? There are chambers. Oh, Don Roberto, everybody. Don Roberto in the house. We know that you have options for connecting with people, right? We know that there are chambers, there are professional organizations, there are referral networks, women's organizations, social, there's all kind of stuff out there, all kind of opportunity for you to connect with people, right? We're none of them, and we're all of them. There are no rules. All we ask is that you're good people. If you don't know this about me, and I'm very fortunate, I'm a good people magnet. I know, and I have a really good track record. So if you're good people, then that's the requirement for being with us. We don't have requirements, but we have benefits. And in order to tap into those benefits, you just need to be affiliated with us. Okay? All right. So here's what you know, right? What you know about People Connectors, because some of you, raise your hand if you attended any of the focus groups we had, those Walnut Grill events that we had. Wow, there's a lot of you in the room, right? We asked you a lot of questions, right? We asked you a survey and you answered us about events that you want to do. Some of you like breakfast stuff, some of you like lunch and learns, and some of you like happy hours. In fact, most of you like happy hours.
Scale was tipped over there.
No surprise, our friends like happy hours. And pretty much what you said was just put us in a room and leave us alone. Don't give us an agenda, just put us in a room, right? Right, because you're good people and you're just naturally going to connect with people. And finally, we're always looking for venues, always looking for cool venues. And is Phil still around?
He must have come down and went back up.
Phil must have gone up. This is Phil's. Isn't this a cool space?
Round of applause for Phil.
Yes. If you have, how many people are seeing this for the very first time? Nice.
Over half of the room.
Nice. I love it. I love introducing people to new faces. Here's what's new, and we're really excited about this because this first benefit is something that traditionally was only offered in chambers and other associations, but we have it available. And why? Because of connections, right? Connections that I made through a previous life. But My Benefit Advisor. How many of you anybody here ever heard of My Benefit Advisor? It's a series of events of benefits that includes healthcare for individuals as well as senior, HR, and even energy benefits, like your utilities. And they have the purchasing power of all those groups across the country. So you get to take advantage of their rates. You don't have to belong to an organization. You just have to be affiliated with us. So soon, there will be a link on our website where you can go to My Benefit Advisor. Cindy and I don't see any of that stuff, right? It goes right to the link. Mike Callardini and his team will take care of you. All right. Here's another benefit. It's the sauce. We have 2 secret sauces. And you guys haven't heard about this, and I'm so excited. Now, Nance, can you come up here? Well, here's the first secret sauce. And I want you to watch her face when I say this.
Oh no.
No. If you guys don't know Nancy, this is Nancy Augustine.
Hi everyone.
And she's going to speak. But I want to tell you something. Nancy and I met through networking years ago. And we have become really close friends. Nancy has been a consultant to Cindy and me. She's incredibly knowledgeable. And I will tell you, watch her face. She's always been a little intimidating to me. Nothing, it's me. Because she's so knowledgeable and she has so much to share and she's so from the heart and she's just, right?
Yeah, seriously.
And she's been a consultant to us along the way, but she's secret sauce number one. Now, I don't know she's spicy. We'll wait till she talks. Then you can make that assumption. But anyway, Nance, tell us about your sauce.
Hi everyone, good evening. I have met some of you, many of you I have not met yet, but I'm very happy to be one of Sydney and Cindy people connectors. My connection to all of you is that I help businesses grow. I have about 30 years of experience in launching and running startup organizations. For the past 9 years, I also have been mentoring startups and small businesses. I currently am part of a team that's incubating a startup within the University of Pittsburgh, and that startup will be launching as its own separate international nonprofit at the beginning of 2023. So with this experience, I can help businesses. I have a variety of resources that I can offer to you. I can help you develop your marketing plan. I can help develop business operations plans or review those policies and procedures. I have experience in looking at pricing for products and services. I have experience in strategic planning. Just about any aspect of business I can help. So I am here as a resource to help your business grow. So look forward to talking to you.
Secret sauce number 2.
Hi everyone, it's me again. So, those of you who know me know that I've done a tremendous amount of networking over the years. I've made a lot of connections. A lot of the people who are in the room, I met you through networking. And one of the things that I've been able to do over the years is strategically connect people together. Now, it's one thing to be at a networking event and say, hey, I'll go over here and meet my friend Sid. No, I'm able to know what you as a business owner or an individual is looking for, and then be able to go through my mental Rolodex and then say, oh, I need to introduce you to this person. And when I've done that, the connections that I've made have been so mutually beneficial for the two individuals that I've brought together. And the dollar amount that whenever I've taken business person number 1 who needs a vendor and connected those two together, we're talking that it's 6 figures and beyond the connections that I've made. Those are, the numbers of the impact. And so that is something that I'm able to do very methodically and strategically. And one of the things that, there's several things that I think that culminate into me having the skill set is, first of all, listening. Listening is definitely very important whenever you're talking to a business owner, a vendor, or whomever. And then just my heart and just genuinely caring and wanting to see other people succeed, and my desire to help and be of service to others. I'm also a Rotarian, so that's where the service comes in. So those are a couple just quick examples. I had more written out about the examples, but we'll just leave it at that in the interest of time, because we're really standing between you all, food and the beverages here.
I think we're done.
Questions?